Hello tutors, welcome to Education Villa. So till now you were taking the trial classes on Zoom or Google Meet, but now if the student is converted for regular class, so you have to take the classes by our Education Villa app. Okay, so how you have to take the classes, that I will tell you step by step. So first you don't have to download the app. First you have to provide your number from which you are going to download the app. Okay, so that number our admin will register on the app, okay, as a teacher. And then how you have to schedule the live classes, that I am going to tell you step by step. Okay, so to schedule the regular classes on our app, first you have to open the app. So there in the downside you will see home and batches option. Okay, so click on batches option. So when you will click on batches option, there you will see your name, like now you can see Seema speaking classes. Okay, in the same way there will be your name, for example demo speaking classes. So you have to click on that. When you will click on that, a screen will be visible there. Okay, so there will be two options, go live now and Zoom option. So don't click on Zoom option, you have to click on go live now button. So when you will click on go live now, a screen will open. So there you have to schedule the meeting. So first click on schedule for letter and then click on the date. After that, whatever there is student timing for class, so you have to schedule that class, for example 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. Okay, and now if you are having only one student, so you can schedule the meeting for one student for 30 minutes, 40 minutes, you can adjust the timing. And if you are having more students later on continuously, so you have to make the link also for one time. Don't make for 6 to 6:30, then 6:30 to 7. You can make the link for 6 to 8 p.m. directly. Okay, okay, so now your meeting is scheduled successfully. So as you can see on the screen that see my speaking classes, and I have scheduled my meeting at 5:03 p.m. and the class is at 5:05 p.m. Okay, in the same way you have to also schedule the meeting. And as you will start the class, so there a student will see join now option. So he will click on join now and he will join the meeting. So after joining the meeting, what you have to do, the student will raise hand from his side. Okay, because until he will not raise his hand, so his audio will not be audible to you. So after that, what you have to do to turn on his audio, that I am sharing. So as you will start the scheduled meeting, okay, so the student's voice will not be audible. So student will click on hand raise option. Okay, so you there is a chat box option beside audio button. So click on chat box option. So there you will see room option in the right hand side. Okay, in the room option there will be student's name and there will be symbol right and wrong. So when you will click on right option, so the student's voice will be audible to you. So after you will complete the class, you have to mark the attendance of the student. Okay, so you have to open the app and you have to go on batches option. So in the upper side you will see attendance option. Okay, so go on attendance option, and if you have completed the class whatever the timing was there, so already there will be present. And if sometimes what happens, we are giving this opportunity to student that if you don't want to take the class today, so before 2 hours you have to inform to the teacher. So how they will inform, they will inform in the chat option. So you have to provide your second number also, that will be added in the chat box. Okay, so if the student has informed and he has not attended the class, so you have to mark absent there. Okay, and if he has not informed, okay, before 2 hours, and he is informing instant, like before half an hour or before 10 minutes, that today I am busy, I will not take the class, so then also the class will be counted and you have to mark present in the attendance. Okay, so watch this video carefully how to take the regular classes on our app. Thank you.